The normal process of manufacturing is to take a large shape, a casting or a cut piece of plate, and then keep shrinking it and machining it and bending it and forming it into a finished part. And through that whole process, you kind of lose 60 or 70 or 80% of the material to get to the finished part. Additive manufacturing is the complete opposite. You literally are forming a component with small layers of laser melted metal. So you start with nothing and you build up a finished part. But everything you build has value, as opposed to subtractive manufacturing where you take something large and you just keep cutting away pieces to get to the finished part. So it's a transformational way to manufacture. The vast majority of printers are simply trying to produce parts that are hard to get or produce a one-off prototype. I have an old car, I'm missing a part, can you print it? Sure. Or I have this unique part, I want to see if I can make it differently, could you make me some prototypes? No problem. Our philosophy is very different. We're trying to provide a solution, a unique solution that starts all the way back to engineering. So if you bring us a problem, you have a part that's too weak, or a part that heat transfer doesn't work, or it fails in service, or you don't get enough life, or it's too heavy, we can redesign from scratch. We can work with the customer to completely change the design of the component. Then we can figure out how to make it, which is very complicated, how to build it, what angle to build it, what machine to build it. We can do all the material testing to prove it, and then we can take it to full production. So I would say that maybe 5% of the people in the world that own printers are actually looking at the additive manufacturing philosophy that way. I'm Colin Osborne. I'm the president and CEO of Samuel Son & Company, and we think that additive manufacturing and Burloak Technologies is really going to be one of the cornerstones in manufacturing.